All right, guys, what is up? Happy weekend. Happy Saturday, Sunday. Anyways, check this out, guys. I hope your weather isn't like this. We're kind of in like a blizzard, I bet. Let's go see. Hey, Cash! Oh, yeah. That is blowing. Panels are all covered up, guys. Snowmobile. It's not too bad, actually. But it was like been no sun out here for I don't know how many days, guys. Like, anyways, I had to go turn the generator on. Look how much snow there is. Coming down pretty good. Panels. Oh man, frick. Won't be building any power with those. I'd put the generator on. Ooh. Oh, it's brisk out here, guys. It's chilly. I'll tell you that. All right, we're going in, gonna go turn the generator off here. Woo! Look how messy this place is. Oh, brutal. This is embarrassing. Okay, back to the snowstorm. Wow. It is really, I'm telling you. It's going pretty good. What a beautiful day. Cash, she's pretty happy too. You happy, boy? Yeah. Okay. Whew. It's quite chilly, guys. Like, my skin's cold now. Whew. Oh, that's why. Look at that. Minus 15, 35 km/h winds. Minus 26. It's chilly. All right, so a couple things, guys. I'm just taking my boots off here. I don't know if I've ever really shown you the inside of my place on film, like how it actually looks, where it's not like a photo shoot or something, you know. It's, man, I have to put these boots over here. All right, still put these over here actually. So a couple things, guys. Whew. one, we got Starlink up, so I can put a lot more content out there for you guys, so that's pretty cool. Two, guys, look at this. Like, this is my washing machine. Don't have it hooked up, but I'm thinking I need to do like something in here, you know? Right in here, a little wash station with a washer. I still put everything on the line, right? But need a washing station to put that washing machine. So let me know what you guys think about that. An idea. As far as the stairs, like, they're not very ideal. I mean, I've almost wiped out on those a few times, if you could imagine. But let me know what you think. Kind of open this up. Maybe a spiral staircase. And this Starlink wire. Do you see it? It's over here. I'll show you. It's kind of neat, actually. It's kind of like up there. Kind of neat. Okay, I just gotta put a sweater on. This is another point of interest, guys, that we need to pay attention to, like, here shortly. When I say we, I need some ideas from you guys to figure out how am I gonna make this sunken greenhouse with the geothermal earth battery. Like, what kind of stuff should I grow in here? You know, clearly my fruit trees and stuff, but what else could a guy grow in here? Gotta clean this stuff up, get it all out of here, and just really try and figure out, am I gonna do raised beds over there or something? Like, raised beds down here, or I don't know. I haven't really... Something I really have to think of, I guess. Put some thought into it. But let's go upstairs here. Kind of show you up here. I don't know if you guys have ever seen this, but this is my, like, my kind of my work area. Has a pretty good view out here. At nighttime when the solar lights are on, it looks pretty nice. So this is my bed. This is where I sleep. My work area, like I say, it's pretty basic, guys. I'm not overly that fancy. So I don't need a lot. I know some of you guys have really big houses and stuff, and maybe one day I'll get there, but for me right now, I just have this small place. With the greenhouse attached to the house here, it's not that bad. It's 32 feet wide by 24 feet in depth, so it's pretty good for me. But I was thinking, because like, it's kind of a big area up here, is that, like, up here, guys, you know, what happens if you were to, like, cut that out and then kick that wedge out? I'm not sure what that's called, but and then put a window in there. I think if I did that on here, and then I did that on here, I think that would just be a game changer up here. Would let a lot more light into my house, and not only that, some airflow, you know, because it gets so freaking hot. I did get this fan up here. Got that up and going, so that kind of moves the air around, but really kind of thinking, like, would that be something I should concentrate on, is getting some space up in here a little bit more? I don't know. It's kind of really something to think about. I've had a lot on my mind lately. There's a Starlink. That's how I send you guys all the hottest data, right? But Friday was pretty exciting too. Ended up going to PV Mart. That's like TSC or something like that. And purchased all the fencing for the horses to come in spring. So that's a big deal. I don't really know how much I'm gonna need because I've never like put barbed wire fencing up, but I just ordered like 240 posts, and I was thinking, like, should I do 3 strands of barbed wire or 4, or 3 strands with electrical one up top? Never had a horse before. So Beauty, she's absolutely gorgeous. She's gonna be coming here in spring, and we're gonna really get some cool content on like everything there is to know about a horse, because I pretty much have to learn it all, right? So I'm pretty excited about that. But the fencing was a big thing to not only get ordered in, but also start thinking about in early spring when the frost is out, getting those posts in the ground. So pretty exciting, but also means I need to think about how am I going to water that horse, you know? They drink a lot of water, so might have to tie in a water line from the house out into the maybe just kind of close out over here, you know? Kind of, maybe if I fenced it off where the horses could kind of come up to the house a bit, you know? And then they could drink, say, where that white drum is. I could clean an area in there, and then the horses could go drink water. Because I could bury a water line, you know, 8 feet down or something, but it's kind of serious to think about. So because it's all solar off grid here, I have to think about power and all that jazz. So a lot to think about. But anyways, I was looking through my analytics. How cool is that there's like a boatload of people down in the States, America, checking out my stuff. I mean, I'm so excited about that. So I did the honey giveaway, and some lady, I think from like North Carolina, won. And so I was pretty excited to mail some honey down there. Was also thinking about, I have to start selling some eggs, you know, some eggs and some honey. So maybe like, should I put up like a little store or something on the homestead where people could come and buy vegetables, eggs, honey, maybe some small chickens or something? Because we're gonna hatch some out this spring. Maybe another month or so we'll incubate some eggs and get some little chicks going and do some candling. But yeah, a lot of things, a lot of projects. Life on the homestead here is always busy, man. Like, now that this is kind of looks, it doesn't look like so much a project, guys. Like, it does look kind of like, I don't know, it's hard to capture. It does still look pretty project-y, which I don't overly love. It's been 4 years of building this place, right? So I had it looking pretty good, and then the washing machine project kind of come on to me. And then also this flooring. What do you guys think? Leave this brown stuff, or should I go to like this gray flooring? I think it might like make it look brighter. Or does the dark wood look better because the white walls? You know? Do I change this to this? And then what do? I've never done this kind of flooring before. Should I remove all this old flooring? Should I remove all the old flooring and then put this on top? Or can I just put this on top of this flooring? I'm thinking that I have to take it all off. Take everything out, restack it. Maybe I could reuse it for another project or something, but it's going to be a little harder because when I made these walls, I just built them on top of the flooring, of course, right? Because I'm not a professional and I'm just freaking trying to survive, man. But flooring, what do you guys think? Let me know. As far as that, everything else out here, guys, we're holding tight. We got the wood stove going. As you can see right there, wood is in the stove. It's looking totally sweet. It's warm. We're relaxing, but I don't know if I should go fire the 6x6 up with the blade and go move some snow. It's about, like you guys saw, about a foot of snow out there. And I'm gonna have to deal with it eventually. I've already did like the Milwaukee blower on the front deck, which was pretty sweet. It works really nice on that fluffy snow. But the driveway, there's like a foot, at least a foot of snow. So I might put on the old snowmobile suit, get suited up, and go move some snow. Cause question for you guys, whoever has Starlink, do you find that it gets really hot, and like does it draw a lot of electricity? I don't really know a lot of electricity. You'd say, oh Chris, but you have a solar system. I didn't build that solar system. I bought it like that. I bought it used. So I'm still trying to learn about electricity and kind of getting that stuff working with it, right? This is another issue I have to do. We had to extend it because we put the glass door in here. So what do you guys think about this? Should I put power on the other side of this wall so there's some power in the greenhouse? Or do you think I should have an inlet here or something? And there's of course another one over there. So a lot of stuff to do. Some days I feel like I'm pretty overwhelmed with projects and like how to make money and survive living off grid out here in the woods, trying to keep my mind good when the days are so dark, you know. A lot of different things, really. And I guess I'm just kind of talking with you guys about it right now because just feeling a little overwhelmed. And I know some of you guys probably feel this way too. You get overwhelmed and a little bit anxious or anxiety or whatever it's called. But yeah, I just wanted to kind of come online and ask you guys some stuff, what you thought about my place, and some ideas about things that maybe I should do or change. I need the input because these are going to be projects that are going to be coming up here. So anyways, I hope everybody that's out there is having a great day. We're kind of hunkered in here today. We're going to do a little bit of snow removal with the side-by-side, but you know, I hope everybody's having a great day. It's great up here in the north, and all right, we're gonna go do some snow removal. Peace out.